can check out the living and dining area. So this is the dining area over here. You can check out the interior work done over here. And now over here, the bed space, again a beautiful way. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal, and today we are here at Purva Windermere project, which is located in Palikarnia, Chennai, a project by Purvankara Group. And today we'll be doing the 3 BHK sample flight tour. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So this is the entrance of the marketing office, and you'll be getting the marketing office over here, and about the land parcel. So the land parcel starts from here itself, and which goes from here to 55 acres of the township. Now, about Housey. So what exactly Housey is? Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform, where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about this project. So this is total 55 acres of mini township, where total 2044 units are sold out in phase 1 and people are residing over there. Now 15 towers are under construction with phase 2. So these are the 15 towers with 1 BHK, 2 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies, and this tower are of stilt plus 11 and 12 floors. Now let me tell you that over this project, that this township, so there are 3 main entrances, one over this side, second from that side, and last entrance on the other side of the township. Now coming to the amenities part, so this project provides you 30 plus luxurious amenities like of 2 grand clubhouse with indoor games, swimming pool. Additionally, in this project you'll be getting tennis court, kids play area, basketball court, badminton court and many more. Additionally, in this project, we'll be getting multi-level car parking as well. Now coming to the location part, so this project is exactly located in Palikarnia, opposite to Chandra Textile in Chennai. And let me show you the connectivity. So this road will connect you towards Medavakkam. Now about the further connectivity of the project. So Kovilabakkam metro station is 1.5 kilometers away. Medavakkam metro station is 1 kilometers away from the project. Even you can connect to Chaitanya Kids School and Kaveri Hospital, which is very nearby to the project. Phoenix Mall in 8 kilometers away from the project, and Grand Mall in 7 kilometers. So now let's have a look at your 3 BHK of larger carpet, that is 1450 square feet super built up area. So on the entrance, they are providing you with the video door phone and the digital door lock. So once you enter, you can check out the living and dining area. So this is the dining area over here. This is how you can utilize this area by setting your dining table. And this side is your living area, where they have set a sofa set in front of the TV unit. Now about the balcony. So this is the beautiful balcony that they are providing with Indiskit tiles, half wall system and half about the iron railing. And this balcony will be 3-side covered. Now let's move further towards your kitchen area. So your kitchen area is over this side, exactly in front of your dining table with the easy access. So you can check out the interior work done over here with the platforms, the cabinets, and here they are providing you with a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. Additionally, here is the provision for your machine. Now let's move further towards your bedroom space. So with this side is your master bedroom, but master bedroom will be checking on later. Now about the other 2 bedrooms. So this side is the bedroom number 1. Once you enter, you can check out the beautiful space over here with the bed space, the wardrobe space, and even they have added up a chair and a table in this room. Now let's move towards another bedroom, but before that let me show you the common wash area. So this is the common washroom with the sink place outside. This is the washroom area with Indiskit tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now about your bedroom number 2. So once you enter this bedroom, you can check out the lobby space for your privacy purpose in this room. And once you enter, you can check out this space over here. So this is the bed space. Here they are providing you with the huge window for ventilation and lighting purpose. This is the wardrobe space. And now about the washroom. So this is the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Here the sink is placed inside the washroom itself. Now we'll be moving further towards your master bedroom. But before entering to master bedroom, let me tell you what all features Housey provides you all. So Housey is here with the actual location tour, with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features on the Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Just schedule your free site visit and by registering on Housey.com. Now just follow me, and this is the main entrance of your master bed. So once you enter, you can check out the space. Again, here is a lobby space for your privacy and the wardrobe space as well. And now over here, the bed space, again a beautiful window for ventilation and lighting purpose, and about the washroom which is attached to the bedroom. With anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. So now, as you all know, we are here at Puravankara Group's project. Have you checked another project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. And if you're looking for more details of this project, all is provided in the I button. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.